Hello and welcome to McLaren. In this video, we will provide a tutorial on how to hook up your 6-way dozer blade to your machine and its functions. Once you receive your 6-way dozer blade, you will see that everything is included and ready to use. With this particular attachment, there is no assembly required. You can move forward and hook up the 6-way dozer blade directly to your machine. Once item is removed from the pallet, locate the hydraulic main lines. These will be the quick connect couplers. Start with the male coupler, then connect the female coupler. Next, get your wiring harness and connect it to the dual selector valve. The dual selector valve is located on the center mount of the 6-way dozer blade. The opposite end of the wiring harness will attach to your machine. And now you're ready to use your attachment. The 6-way dozer blade hydraulic lines, as well as the wiring harness, allows you to use all 6 functions. The 6-way dozer blade can tilt left or right, as well angle left to right, and of course up and down. Now that you have a clear understanding of the 6-way dozer blade capabilities, you're ready to go.